During your inspection, you're going to find several different sources of heating. One source that's very common in commercial buildings, multifamily buildings, just about any building you're going to run across, be electric baseboard heating. With electric baseboard heating, it can be a primary source of heat or a secondary source of heat, depending on what it's being used for, where it's located, and how large it is. Our job is to report the source, which is electricity, the type of heat, which is electric baseboard, and the condition. Basically, when we look at the condition, we're looking to see if there's any impact, any damage, is it loose, is there anything going on with the unit. Another very important thing to look at is there's not supposed to be or should ever be any receptacles, outlets located above the unit. I don't care what the height is, never above the unit. If we have an outlet located above the unit, anything plugged into that outlet, that cord can lay directly on the electric baseboard heat, and then that will cause that cord to melt, short, and cause a fire. Another very important thing to think about when you're looking at electric baseboard heat is to have nothing else come in contact with it. That would be drapes, that would be anything that can be swung to the appliance. And so if you think about this electric baseboard heat, and I have this door, as I open the door should never come in contact with that baseboard heat. When you're doing electric baseboard heat, one of the reasons we are in a stairwell, one of the reasons to think about why we have electric baseboard heat in this stairwell is because this is a fire exit. And as far as a fire exit goes, we are not supposed to have any openings in these walls. An opening in this wall would be the ductwork. So if they added ductwork from another system into here, then there would have to be a fire damper control system that would automatically close a damper, fire closed. That's a pretty aggressive apparatus. It's much easier not to heat this space, just to add electric baseboard heat to supplement, to take the chill off this. To test these units, it's a matter of just exercising the thermostat, turning it from off to on, have it come on, and verifying it with either your hand or an infrared thermometer, testing to see if it comes on. And then when it comes on, you've seen that there's heat, and then just turn it off. I'm going to use an electronic digital thermometer, and I have heat coming off of here already at 98 degrees. So it's certainly something that's operating. I will turn it back off. It's very important that you keep track of the thermostat so you turn on and turn off. You do not want to leave a thermostat on when it should be in an off condition. There's an easy way to have somebody be sore at you. So again, test the units, verify the units, make sure that you identify on your report the location, the condition, and the source of heat.